Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, you find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, looking back at statements said by Marian Hall, the original queen of the dance hall, viewers and subscribers, and statements she made about Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, and I feel like some statements she make definitely have current implications right now, viewers and subscribers. Yes, her support of the artist is immense, viewers and subscribers. Lady Saw is definitely a fan of Vybz Kartel, and she said, just see the play, the way they paint a certain picture, demonize the character of Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, to make it look like him deserve to be where he is. Look and listen, then we got content reasoning about the implications.
A part of dancehall is locked up, but I got the chance to record him on a rhythm, summer bounce rhythm. Y'all make you a guanso, wine like say, you know, that song was produced by me, and he was very quick, perfectionist, and he's good like that, man. So, you know, that part of him I got a chance to experience, and it was great. Like, oh, I say I was born for this. I think he was born for this. He's quick, and he just go like boom, 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 and it's done. That's how professionals are, like us, like the real talent, yeah. But it was not believable to me. It seemed like somebody was just throwing something out there. You know, he's locked up, and I felt like somebody just wanted him to look back.
And subscribers, and as I said, looking back at the statement, viewers and subscribers, one statement in particular just said the way them paint a certain picture of Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers. And right now in this day and age, with this appeal verdict in long overdue wait, I realize, viewers and subscribers, the new plan is to blame the teacher. That is the new plan, viewers and subscribers. We hear discussions being had all over some different pockets of society saying that, yeah, the teacher, music, and Ray are the influence there. Look at this. This is not just food for thought, this is facts. The teacher's latest album project is a lovers dancehall rock fusion reggae album. What them have to say? Is a Billboard album too, a iTunes bestseller, and it's songs for the ladies. Now the artist is behind the bars, and I don't feel like, but they've never talk about responsibility. I don't feel like you can blame one individual for the situation where take place nationwide. As a matter of fact, this before Vybz Kartel was an artist. Was Vybz Kartel an artist in the 80s? When there was that big turmoil that took place in the 80s. No, I ain't go on long before that. Remember days of Port Royal, from the days of piracy. These things that take place right here upon the island. How dare you put one individual in the spotlight and said, yes, that is the individual, a theme park. No, that's a scapegoat mentality, viewers and subscribers, and that is not supported. That is not supported. And isn't it funny? Right now, when we are about to see another election year roll up, we realize it is more fitting for, instead of the parties point fingers at each other, which is something them do for years, may I wonder if them now decide to make a point fingers at that individual, so that if the statement should come up in a nationwide debate, we can say why forces beyond our control have contributed to the high rise in the statistics, what we say take place for this year. That is the new game plan. I wonder if you don't realize that is the new game plan, viewers and subscribers, by the powers that be. We don't have to call a name in specific because we don't know who say, yeah, make that be the motive or make that be the direction we are going. We don't know that. But we can say it is clear that that is the play where they make. That is the reason why we don't get a verdict yet. Some people still consider that Vybz Kartel, his situation, and the attention where his situation has brought to the island is still at some point going to be used as a pawn by one party or the other. Yeah, them say at this point in time, one party or the other will use this situation as a ploy or a pawn in a them scheme for either get re-elected or be elected. Yeah, and I saw it, look, viewers and subscribers. As I'm saying, when we listen back to the statements made by ladies herself, viewers and subscribers, me have to say, you know, say, Mama see the play. Mama say, Mama has been a part of the music industry for a number of years. She know how it go. She knows, say, yes, there are people involved, are stakeholders of music that are also statesmen. And when the time is right, everybody use what they need for use, you know what I mean? For move forward or enhance their career. So in this day and age, don't feel or don't be surprised at the fact that everybody are trying to discuss it like they want to make it look like say a Vybz Kartel fault because of the spike that we have seen in statistics for this year. No! Whole heap of people have put out music. One of the action movie them dropped recently. Big blockbusters. Action movies. Why aren't people saying it's the action movie's fault? No, they're saying it's an artist that is not even performing on stages near anybody. Hasn't been performing on a stage for almost a decade now. And this is the individual where them choose to say, let's lay the blame upon that individual. Because him have the superstardom, him have the fame. Where they must say the artist shoulder them broad enough. What are they trying to say? Viewers and subscribers, don't be distracted. This is a clear distraction. The topics the most people are talking about and make mention about shouldn't even be a topic to be discussed. But we'll see that take place. So we have to reason about it and explain it and give the fiction from the non-fictional. Because people get facts confused at times. You know what I mean? Yeah, people misinterpret what is real from what is not real. And the way the story is brought. Sometimes people look at it from a different point of view. But that's the view I'm going to say right now on the streets. People like they're saying it's the music that has caused the high rise in the statistics for this year. But no, truth be told, music is an echo of the feeling or the emotions felt by the people of a nation. Artists who lead the genre now have a creative vibe. They can steer the energy. And the teachers try to do so. And it has worked. You know what I mean? When the album drop, we see a big thing that go on with the, you know what I mean? With the man and the woman them. The teacher drop him album man. You know what I mean? By God blessing way. It's that kind of on a level now. So yes, being an influential artist, the teacher put out music where change the tempo. How him say I go on in the streets. Because you don't know it go. When the statistics high, nobody not agree with that. People want to think for them on a joyful vibes. Everybody want the island for them on a joyful vibe. Bob Marley say one love, one heart, and everybody they agree. Nobody never disagree with Bob when Bob make a statement like that. One love, one heart, one island, man. You know the something go. People agree. So viewers and subscribers, at this point in time, must say this is a clear attempt by the powers that be to make it look like say yes, this individual deserves to be where he is now. Because with the influence and the type of influence that him a push, this is what him a push in a society, and somebody that's doing this to our society cannot be freed. That's what them a try to say. Them wrong. The artists do so much more for the culture, so much more for the movement. Other artists who must see them around with them and celebrate now, have Vybz Kartel bring them a road. So I'm gonna say what them a try to say. Dancehall music right now, the music them when they celebrated, the song them we are playing in the hotel them and the people them flying. And the teacher style and the teacher music are played there. So what are you saying? The teacher is the Bob Marley for dancehall music. Would they have Bob Marley facing a situation like this? If I did Bob, what would I go on? Glad to see Bob. Hey, R.I.P. Bob. Never there for society turn upon our artists like how them turn upon our artists. Look upon that. Would you believe there'll come a time when society, well not society, the powers that be, the elite, the ones at the top, decide say, yeah, hear me? No. If you know with the program, you know what I mean? and this is the style and this is the way, or maybe I don't have nothing about with the program. Sometimes you just say the wrong thing, you just take the wrong person, girl. A man see you and him girl I listen too much of your song, and bad feelings just develop. Enough to be nothing strong or nothing too deep. More a man just forward in and see him you them or see him woman or whatever the case, you know, I listen too much Vybz Kartel song. And from them time they make it a point of duty say, ooh, teacher, him Vybz Kartel. Like him. And I try all different type of things, viewers and subscribers. Vice the one called Jaden Chase. Reminding you say it now go work. Freedom is a must. And for those who are new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you don't like the reason and of course you don't like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon and put it on all so that you can be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon there as well, so I mean like we each up a like on the vlog in true. Remember the man, the share icon there as well, so you can tell a friend to tell a friend. If tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel and check out the reasoning. Join the discussion. The comment section is always up no matter when you see the vlog. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments and your opinions there, viewers and subscribers. You know the settings, and for those who don't, up move and we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, that we wanna live, love and prosper until the reason again, fam.